This is Dipesh over here, and today we will be seeing how to plan your entire week, how to plan your day, and how to use the planner. Now there is a huge difference between having a diary and having a planner. So diary is something where you keep on noting down all the activities, and planner is something where you plan the entire week, entire month, or entire day. Let us see for the entire week itself, because I personally do it for entire week and it works like anything. Without planning, I don't think so anyone will be able to manage the work effectively, and more you save the time for you, more you get the time for yourself and your family. So that's the most important crux of your life. Work is a part of life but not the life. So I'm just showing you how to do planning and planner. Now the last time when I said to one of my colleagues that I will be teaching you planning and we will be sitting how to work on planner, that guy went and brought the entire 200 planner worth rupees 250 rupees. So, and that is the reason I am using a small book. You don't need an entire 250 rupees or $3 or $5 planner for this. Okay. So the basic thing of any planner, of anything that you require, is I just looked up because there's a camera up over here, is one thing that you should have a date. In any book you have to write a date. Okay. Now we have written over here as 17th June. So 17th June is today, and every page I have given 18 June all the dates, 19 June, 20 June up to 21 June. This is the most important aspects of date should be there. That is the most important thing of any planner, any diary, or anything that you have to begin. Okay. Now my planner consists of 4 things, to be honest. One is action. What actions I have to do. Now this is action can be work that I want to do in a particular day. Then follow-ups. Follow-up to be done. This follow-up is something where you have done the work. Now you have to just follow up for the feedback or for a reward or for any other information from someone else. So it's just a follow-up over here, and it will get into this bucket. So you know what work you have to do, so you know what follow-up you have to do. And then there is something as notes. Notes is something that you can use for jotting out any point that you want to write over here. It does not fall into work follow-up, and it does not be necessarily that it should be work related. It can be any note that you find interesting, you can write it over here. So there is a column for notes over here. Okay. And there is something called as meetings. Meetings, when you are there for meetings. So in case if you are having meeting with your superior, with your colleagues, or with anyone, so all the meeting has to be jotted down over here. Now you will be thinking, I already have Outlook with me. Yes, the Outlook works good. It has a synchronization with your mobile phone. Let me check, it's working still. Okay. So it has all the synchronization. While you traveling, you just check out your how and etc, what work are pending, to-do list and etc. But this, being an old school, to be honest, it works much better than Outlook, your Gmail, your calendar, your note takes. It works super, because I have used everything. I have used Outlook, I had tried synchronization with my mobile, personal mobile, and Gmail, calendar, etc etc. But to be honest, this has worked in a fabulous way. Now I will tell you how it works. So we will go to 18th June. I will write as an action. There's some communication policy to be made. Policy to be made. I have written. Then there's other work where tracker or discussion to be on rationalization. Okay. Follow up with X, Y, Z for bank reward. Now note, any note 5 p.m. HR activity. Okay, please forgive me, let me just see the it's still working. This is the first time. Please ignore the background, and also I have kept a camera up here so that you will be able to focus over here actually what I'm doing. Okay, and then there is something called as meetings, so I will write as 2 p.m. meeting with, please ignore my handwriting also, it's not that good actually, vendor. So this is how my entire day starts. So you or anyone has a clear idea on about what actions I have to do. 1, 2, 3 actions, 4 follow-ups, 5. Now, in case if there's this bank reward, you follow up with your person and he says or she says that this follow-up, the bank will revert on 20th. So what happens to this? This goes over here on 20th. See, from 18th June it went to 20th June saying bank follow up. You understand? So automatically when you go on 20th, you know that you have to do a bank follow up. So there is no chance that your work will get skipped. There's no chance that you will forget something. There's nothing as of now. Notes you can also write as utility bills to be paid. Utility bills to be paid. So automatically when I come on 20th June, I open my planner, I get to know, okay, with 1, 2, 3 actions, there are, for example, there's one pending action for me to do X, Y, Z. Okay. So I know one pending action that was supposed to do it today on 20th June. There's bank follow-up to be done. There's utility bill to be paid, and there's a meeting. So even if these meetings get cancelled over here, it automatically gets shifted to over here. You have to put a meeting over here. Meeting, I will just write, I have not made this meeting thing, and you can write 2 p.m. schedule. So automatically when the day comes, I open my planner, I see, okay, there's a meeting scheduled. Now what you can do, you can also keep this as a note a day before the meeting. 2 p.m. meeting tomorrow with finance. So on 19th itself, I am ready for the 20th meeting. So you are already prepared. You have all the work together. You are everything. So this is how the planner works. Planner does not work for one day. It has to be carry forwarded, or the actions meeting, pending meeting has to be taken on to the next day. The moment the next day arrives, get it in the morning. Just open your planner. Okay, you know that there's a follow up to be done. That came from 18th. 20th, and it's a follow-up over here. This is how the planner works. Try it out sometimes. Try it out from tomorrow itself if possible. This might be, you would be thinking it's really very old school. It's a technological era, and I'm still going through old school, but it works fabulously. It worked for me like anything. I was a mess something. Now there is something that in case there's 20th June, it's most important day. It might happen there's someone, it's for some interview call or for some presentation in front of your director, and you want to get highlight this 20th June. Now how you will get highlight this 20th June? It's simple. What you have to do is, I haven't brought my scale or pencil. You have to just, I'm going to over here. Okay. You have to just tear this apart, put it like this, and fold it like this. What we have done, we have teared this part, we have again teared this part, and then we have folded it over here. So it comes over here, and you can write it over here, anything, or you can mark. Sorry. Just give me a moment. Okay, that's my bad. Okay, mark it. Anything that you run. So automatically, if there's some important, I will go to this page. I will just open. Okay, now there's 21 June, and there's a most important meeting or client meeting today. So it gets highlighted over here. So the crux of the thing is that you don't have to get into a planner. Take a simple book like this, divide it as per your actions, follow up, notes, and meeting. If something is pending, it has to go on to the next day. If something is pending the next day, it has to go to the next day. and in case of anything important, you have to highlight it over here. That's it. I hope this works out for you people also, as it worked for me, and I'm 100% sure it will work. Please try it out. Do subscribe the channel. I will be bringing more informative work, more informative and non-informative topics for you people on self-development, non-development, and anything, etc. Please do subscribe. It is my first video. Thank you. Thanks a lot, dear. Thanks. So bye.